Horace. Horace, no, that won't go in your cheek. Come here. No, no. Pass me the broccoli.
Oh my gosh! Is that kangaroo? Oh no!
This streamer was trying to sneak up on this deer without scaring it.
Is that another pod? What?
Azzy installed a new security camera and it scared the snow leopard.
Oh, they're so cute!
He's like, oh, there's a camera on
Whoa!
Yo, what up, everybody? Oh, I see how it is. Rude.
So this is really interesting and I have no explanation for why, but this frog refuses to jump outside of this circle.
Yeah?
Why not? Wait! I heard this. So for some reason, if you put the circle... Wait, I also saw the video, they do that on cat too. It's not like they're getting outside a circle, but it's like... If they put the cat inside a circle, they're not leaving like that. Is that true? Yeah, kind of same for cat too. I saw the video. So sorry, Diola. It's a magic circle, magic circle. Oh, it's chickens too and ants?
Oh my god. Nah, that's the maddest, bro. Bro? That's sick. Gonna put it on, bro?
Wait,
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro. He's not gonna put it on. Nah!
Cute. Look at the chickies. Brrr. Nom. Oh no!
Hi.
For some reason,
It's like telling in this world there's a two type of people. One is and here's two.
Hi.
for some reason this horse doesn't like talking to men.
No boys, right? Especially not this one.
They do that in Minecraft too. They spit it like like that. Yeah. Alpaca, I guess, or llama.
He made a fire to warm up his horses that were in the field.
For the horses here. And this one might have got a little close.
These two little guys were spotted doing push-ups at the gym.
What the heck? They do the push-ups? Kawaii! Oh, that is so cute.
This gorilla was upset that their stick got stuck.
Oh no!
Huh?
MashaAllah.
What the heck? That's so cute. Huh? Huh?
Poor guy got so upset.
Well, hi there. Are you good or are you bad?
I'm not sure if this cat is really brave or really dumb.
The cat is strong though. I saw a cat try to pick a fight with a crocodile too. They're like a horse. They're like so much bigger than cat, but they don't back up. Some cats are like really feisty. Nah. Wow,
This poor
strong
pelican suddenly
cat!
fell asleep.
They will. Look, he just has to. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Hey! Where are you going?
This cat was chasing a
bear took
mouse and
something.
couldn't figure out where it went.
Where's the mouse, Tucker?
Where's the mouse?
Where's the mouse? Where's the mouse? Grab the mouse by the tail.
I'm trying to. No.
I guess you never know when squirrels might attack.
Wait, they will attack you? Wait, I didn't know they will attack you?
This pigeon was walking around and intentionally put on some bread necklaces.
Wait.
This llama heard someone make a rude comment.
Ew, he's ugly.
That's cute.
Damn, did I say something?
Rude. That's my cat, and it's 3 a.m. in the morning. She gathers all the toys she has, and then she come to my bed and say, "No! No!" like that. I was having a peaceful night, sleeping for tomorrow's morning, and then my cat decided to get all the toys she has it, and then place it under the bed, and then she go, "No! No!" like that. I go, like, "Shut up! I'm trying to sleep." Is it a cow? What's that? Is that pig?
This monkey just realized
Cow,
that he
I
might
guess.
need some glasses.
He's got my glasses. What's your prescription, bro?
Yeah, that was a cow.
So what do you think he's thinking about?
Aw, he's chilling. Kawaii! What the heck? That's so cute!
I think we found out who the main character is.
Hmm? Aw, cute!
She kept being harassed by her horse, so she decided to finally catch him in the act.
No. What the? Wait, they do that? Oh my gosh. Wait, which one is smarter? Wait, which one is smarter? These birds or like dogs or cats? I heard dogs and cat has like a 3 years old brain or something. But like, is it birds are smarter or something? They're so cute. It's bird? Hey, wait, this is a parrot? The parrot is a smarter? Yeah, parrots are smart. They're so cute. They're so cute. Birds typically. Wow, really? That's so cute. Yeah, I like the talking one too. Some of the birds they talk, right? That's so cute. Ne, kawaii.
Say cheese. Cheese.
Are you okay?
This groundhog keeps stealing food from this farmer and always eats it directly in front of the security camera.
So he stole it and then he bring it in front of the camera and eating it. food again. Nom 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 nom.
These otters were spotted chasing a butterfly.
What the heck? They're so cute. Kawaii.
I think this fish is broken.
Are you okay? Oh, cute.
Sometimes an octopus will try and punch a fish just for fun.
They do that? Yeah, octopus is pretty smart too. ね、タコも頭いいって言うもんね。I also heard sometimes dolphin like punches a pufferfish so they can get the poison and they can have fun with the poison. It's not like super deadly poison to them, but they can make him feel like fun or something. So I heard sometimes they do that too. Yeah, ne, that's true. That poor pufferfish.
Wakey, wakey.
Oh my god.
This is a hognose snake, which is a harmless snake that likes to play dead.
Aww.
For some reason, this cow was trying to catch its own tail.
Aw, the cow like a dog. Dogs do that too, right? Kawaii.
I have never seen this type of disrespect before.
Okay.
For some reason, this hamster has a knife. Why is this capybara so small?
Kawaii! Oh my god, capybara!
This truck that was carrying oranges broke down, so these elephants took advantage.
The guys have got a bit of a problem here. And the elephants are coming and helping themselves, taking
Ooh,
advantage.
free food!
These eagles were trying to build a nest together.
Eagles are so cool. I have never seen an eagle before, but it looks so cool Eagle かっこいいよね。Hi there!
Oh my god.
Oh, I see this one. This one's so cute.
Ma che brava, Nis.
Yeah, I saw like some birds does that. I think only female birds does that, and they put it on their feathers. Something like that. 確かさ、なんかこういうことやってさ、女の子の鳥だとさ、なんか自分の羽につけるんだよね。Yo, they try to be fancy. It's so cute.
He's done with
To
asking
build the
and I
nest?
started
Oh wait,
demanding.
that one's for building the nest? I didn't know that. That's so cute. They're gathering the nest material. Chat, have you seen the nest the pigeon made it? Have you seen that? What the fuck? That's nothing! that doesn't do anything! And they're like, alright, job complete, new home. That's their nest! What the heck? ねえ、雑すぎる! Look at the eggs! Completely unprotected. ねえ. It's perfect now! They're gonna yoink the egg. ねえ. Yeah, こんなんダメだよ! And look at this bud, it's like, what? I finished my job. What the fuck? They think this is a perfect? How? How だよ? これがどこが完璧なんだよ? They just put a few branches on the ground, that's it! How the heck this is done? 作る気ないだろ! They don't even try it! They're not even trying だよ! ねえ! Good enough. How the heck this is perfect だよ! How the heck?
This guy found a really round bear.
He is a fat bear. Oh my god, the
Wow!
So chunky.
Is it
There's
pregnant?
a lot more over here on this left side.
This duck loves getting kisses.
Wait, that's so cute.
Is not back.
Have you ever seen a horse that's equipped with turbo? This pigeon was hurt, so they spent months nursing it back to full health. They were finally ready to release it back into the wild.
I guess pigeon is not leaving.
I can't tell which bird is more angry.
Angry birds!
This poor little guy doesn't know how wheels work.
He's trying! He's trying!
This fish somehow found a pacifier.
Wait, is that? Oh, wasabi-da. Wait, did you know?
This little baby chicken was adopted by this duck.
Wait a minute. Wait! Hey, Dreamer poop!
Dreamer pooped, yes. So just
Oh, man. You poop? Oh, yeah?
This ostrich kept bothering this giraffe.
I don't think that
Dacho!
This monkey was really excited to see her.
Good morning, Nick. Yeah, good morning.
This poor little guy couldn't hold on.
Wait, spin! Oh my god, are you okay? Oh no, somebody stop! Somebody stop! Oh, he's shaking. Aww. Wait a
This
minute.
penguin wasn't having a very good day after falling in some mud.
That's a baby penguin? I thought they're fluffy. Eh, real cotton thingy.
This cat somehow managed
What's
to
it
scare
full
away
of
a
mud?
bear.
Aw, poor thing. You feeling mud? Aw.
They couldn't figure out why their car wasn't starting.
Just let.
Oh, I always like during the winter time. We always check our engine room in a car, especially during the winter time, because sometimes kitty or those animals will go inside there because it's not cold. So yeah. If you guys can check, especially during the winter season, could be animal inside there. So always make sure there's nothing in there. So yeah. Nah, we always does that though.
That cash.
Fancy!
Nah, my M4 just got jacked.
He knows how to drive! Whoa!
Oh, I'm trying to go to sleep or take a nap, and he's just.
It seems like this bird
sound
is
is
trying to be as annoying as possible.
I heard it from TikTok. Is that Old Spice? Yeah, it's
So
Old Spice!
why is he sitting like this? This lion was chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened.
Wow!
Someone found a bird that wants to take over the world.
Spice.
He kind of like some villain guy, you know, always villain. That's that pose, like like well, like that. He's taking over the world.
She really decided that violence was the only option.
Wait, well, oh, Pigeon Tower.
Pigeon Tower.
This deer loves eating bananas. These two fish really don't like each other.
Wait. What?
What the heck is going on here?
Bro. Oh, what? What?
I told you, you have to stop coming around. Stop bringing your mates. I can see he's there. We have no food.
The fisherman caught a fish and then tried to release it, but it wouldn't swim back down. This is because there was air in the gas bladder of the fish. The fisherman helped the fish burp to release the air.
Burp it out.
So if they have too much air inside, they can't go back in? Is
Is that better?
That's a lot
Now
better.
let's see. Oh, look at that. Away he goes.
Are they okay?
Chase me. Come on. Let's go.
Oh, it's so cute.
These raccoons were caught in the act.
Hi. Good evening. The turtle got it!
That is the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.